everybody, I know it's been a while, but welcome back. What I have today is a union, which is a Das Lux numero uno. Hopefully we'll be able to pick and gut this for you today. I'll be using pin side tension, and I will be using the Peterson gem in 18,000. Straight and looking for a binder. That was pin 3. Click out pin 5. Pin 1. Touched on pin 4. Counter rotation on pin 4. Pin 2. I think that's pin 5, but we've got a little counter rotation on 3. Got it with deep false set. Pin 1. And we do have an organ. Just make sure. Yes, that was an organ. Let's take a look inside. I know I haven't been around for a while, but life gets in the way. And as someone once said to me, this is just a hobby. So just do it when I can. Just looking for a shim. One second. This shim is out of the back of a security tag of, I think it was a CD. So let's see how good it works. I have got other shims, but I've seen that this was feels a lot thinner than a usual shim, so it's a little bit more difficult to get in, but it still does go. Take our follower. Sorry about that. We do have threads on every chamber. And the key. I forgot to show the bidding at the beginning. Everything is in there pretty sloppy. We'll dump them out and take a look. Standard. Standard. Looks to be a sort of torpedo look. Standard. And a standard. So I think everything will be upstairs. Spool. Another spool. I've got to dump these springs out, 1 second. a very tightly wound brass spring which just won't walkabout. We've got it. Looks to be a steel spring. We do have a serration in one. I don't know how they manage that, but another spool. Another steel spring. A very long spool. Doesn't seem to want to come out. We'll go from the back. I wonder if these come out and then this is the way he threaded it, because there's no way on the top you could do it. Again, spool in 5. And the two last springs look like 2 copper springs. We've got serrations in 5, nothing in 4, one, nothing in 2. It doesn't seem like there's nothing in 3. So there we have it. Numero uno. Absolutely lovely little lock sent to me by Gaz of the UKLS forum. Thank you very much, buddy. And it was a great little lock to start back on my videos. And I hope you all enjoyed watching. Thank you, and bye for now.